జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. Oh Mata, until now, in entire of my dynasty, everybody followed their father's words, their father's orders. Amma, Mata, I am not introducing any new system to you. All that whatever our ancestors have followed, I am just presenting to you, and I am willing to do the same. I can tell you with all of my confidence that in the past nobody has fell off from the path of righteousness after obeying orders of their fathers. To that extent, obeying orders of father is very important. Oh Mata, please let me also do the same. Piturhi vachanam kurvan nakaschit namahiyate. Nobody got destroyed after following their father's orders. Like this, Rama tells so many things to Kausalya Mata, and then he is also addressing Lakshmana, who is standing right next to him. Oh Lakshmana, Tava Lakshmana, Janami, Mama Sneham Anuttamam. Lakshmana, I know, I realize that how much you love me. I realize how much you like me. I realize how much you craves my association with you. Also I realize how much you are powerful. Oh Lakshmana, there is no greater satisfaction than following righteousness. There is no greater satisfaction than desiring for peace of mind. By doing nothing we can get that much of satisfaction. Oh Lakshmana, that is what I am now willing to do. Like this, Ramachandra Swami, while telling Lakshmana, he is emphasizing upon how much great satisfaction we would get after following righteousness. Rama is trying to console Kausalya Mata. Kausalya Mata crying a lot. Right next to Kausalya Mata, Lakshmana Swami is boiling with so much angry. Now Rama tells Lakshmana, Oh Lakshmana, Piturvachanamuttamam dharma samsritametacha. Following orders of our father is the supreme virtue. That is the righteousness. There is no superior virtue than that. Oh Lakshmana, do you realize that? Do you know this fact that once we give a word to father, a word to mother, a word to Brahmana, we should never go back. At any cost we have to stand on that word and resolve that. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.